Alright, yo, trade recap. Yeah, alright, trade recap today. So today I took 3 trades total. Today I was actually eating dinner with like my girlfriend, her family. I don't know what to call it in English, but I decided to trade London because I couldn't trade the whole New York session. I could only trade the AM session, so I decided to trade London as well. Well, I did, and I took 2 losses inside of London, so I actually took 4 trades. I took 2 losses, 1 break even and 1 W in New York. So just 2 unnecessary losses in London session. And normally London runs good, like normally it does. Normally it's totally fine to trade, but I figured out now, like I've asked some questions in some Discord to learn because I don't really trade London often. So maybe I shouldn't even have traded London with the funded challenge account. But here, so oh wait, this is actually yesterday, so this is today. So London, I was actually short, looking for the lows here because I still want to see these lows. Here I got stopped on this, like pretty like right away. I took an entry on the closure below this candle here. It should be a bit lower, but my stop was above here. This was stopped out, and then, or that was a break even, I think. Yeah, this was a break even trade. And then this was the loss that I took. So, or wait, actually, I have to really think here. Yeah, this was the loss I took. So I took 1 loss here. This was a break-even trade, so this was a 1-1. Now it's starting the low still, and as you can see, we went higher from here. So then I looked at the charts and I thought, oh, okay, buy is actually bullish because what we had on the bigger time frame was we had all this structure here, and we took out a 4-hour low. And if we take out a 4-hour low, then I at least want to see us take some liquidity, which is, I refer to this, which is this. So we take a low, and I want to see structure created, then take that, and then actually go. I was looking for this, but this is what I thought we had. So that was from yesterday price action. Then London session was around here, and I saw, okay, yeah, we do have structure below here. Like we took the low. Now we have all this structure here. Now we took the structure and now we're trending up here. And then we were actually inside of here. So we were also inside of this singular 50-minute, I think it was, or 30 minutes. Yeah. So we were inside of that there. And then from here, I was looking for that long into equals up here. So I thought, okay, this looks clear to me. I'm looking for longs here. And then I looked longs in here. Then we traded lower and then higher again, like I was pretty close to break even with that trade there. So I'm on long inside of here. I think it was this here. And that was here on the 3 minute. Okay, so the recording closed, but on here in the 3 minutes, where was I? Here on the 3 minute, I went break even, or I took the long entry here, which was this inversion. So we closed above on this candle here. This would have been my break even here, and then got stopped break, close to break even, and then market just ran lower, like really choppy price action here in the London session. And I've asked around a lot in the Discord. If you could look, where's the price action? So yeah, so this was the price action in London. So you could just see in London session, like look at this chop, like back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. And then just have all of this range here. Like I had to sit through this entire range here. Like we really did nothing. Then we dropped lower, then went higher again. Like there was nothing in the London session here. And I ask in the Discord, because I don't usually trade London, I asked to people like, why is this London session so bad? And I figured out that, or they said like, I already had a feeling that it was going to be that answer, but because we have NFP this week, so a major impactful news week, we can expect the London sessions to be really trash. So that's basically what happened today as well. So took 2 really unnecessary losses in London session and 1 break even. Really unfortunate, shouldn't have taken that. And then I took 1 trade in the New York session, which I only traded the AM session, but we didn't even do anything in the PM session, so didn't miss anything there. But really unfortunate that I missed my first TP, but let's see here. So I was actually bullish here. Let's get this here. This is a small Discord if you want to join that. It's in the description. This was yesterday, so morning boys, I would be more bullish than bearish today and expecting that buy side liquidity. But overall, honestly, not sure. Like structure looked pretty unclear, but bigger time frame to me is really bullish. I will only be trading the AM session today. What do you guys think? So I had this on my charts. We had this rejection block here in the 4 hour on NQ, which we are still holding. So I had this marked on NQ. I had the same thing marked on yes because it's the biggest time frame, biggest rejection block. And then you can see we broke consecutive encroachment here on yes, and then NQ still held the consecutive encroachment. Doesn't mean anything by itself, but I do frame a narrative around it. And that is, like I didn't say it here, but we swept sell side here. We have the rejection block, consecutive encroachment holding. We swept the sell side here. We have sell side below here, and then yes did close below that rejection block, consecutive encroachment. So what I already wanted to see is I wanted to see ES sweep the lows because we were way closer to that low than NQ is. Have an SMT at the low and then actually go higher into the buy side liquidity. That's literally like what we got on the charts here. So we took the low here on ES. We didn't take it on NQ. We have an SMT holding and I look for long. So that was what I was looking for. I'm not holding anymore. Oh, this was already when I was in trade, but I didn't say that was going to be in a trade. Like I'm not. I'm not trying to be like the Discord, like I'm selling stuff or something. But what we did, so we did have that everything there, and then 9:30 opened here, and then what I was looking at is I saw that yes took the low. We didn't tap consecutive encroachment here on the weekly, but that would have been amazing if we did, but didn't tap it. But we went lower here. 9:30 opened, we traded all the way lower. Then I just looked inside of this leg here. I frame it down. 2-minute chart, we have a SIBI here, we have a SIBI here. 3-minute chart, we have a SIBI here. We have a small SIBI here. 4-minute chart, we have nothing in here. We have one SIBI here, and we have a swing high here. So this would be my fractal leg. That will be from, doesn't really matter where we come from, but we came from here. There, this is my fractal leg here. We do have a singular inversion. We have the SMT holding. Doesn't really matter that we sweep all the lows because I need to see this narrative. But the only exception is if we have an SMT. That's our double sweep. So if we have an SMT, then we could just straight look for longs without me having to look for all the equal lows. But still, we did sweep all the equal lows. But that wasn't what I was looking for. So we had that SMT. With the singular inversion, I waited for the candle closure here. The candle closed above on this. I entered in long, stop on the second lowest candle, and I targeted buy side liquidity up here, which is a 1.87 RR. So I let it go a bit higher, and you can see missed the TP with 2 handles, which is 2 points. Missed the handle, but missed the TP with 2 points, and then all day we chopped around. I held all day and I literally just exited the trade at this candle because that's where Topstep closes the positions. Really unfortunate that I couldn't hold it because I think the overnight session is going to take out these highs again, but yeah, wasn't in there. But still took some profits. This would have been like a break-even day here and probably with some profits as well. But now I'm at, I was looking this up here. I already know that, but this is like, I just figured out, like, normally I thought that Topstep was going to close it at 1508, 1510, but it's actually central time, so it's a different time, so it's actually 1608 and 1610, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, Topstep X now down 130 for the day. Really unfortunate. Yeah, let's just see how much I would have been up on the day. Like, I don't care really, but I was filled a bit higher. I think like I went around the 727 here, starting at least the 102, which was a bit above there. I was in with 3 contracts. Or yeah, 3 contracts. So I would have made 1,000. So I would be up 200, but yeah, we didn't get that. So really unfortunate. But yeah, I'm glad we did already. We're down. What is this? Let's see actually. 130. So I'm down 0.26%, which is not bad at all. I just look at it as a break-even day, but really unfortunate that we're just gonna take the highs in the PM session. PM session really was like terrible. I'm glad that I wasn't on the charts, but still, if I was on the charts, then I probably would have traded that and got nothing out of that. But unfortunate that we didn't take those highs. I really think we're gonna take that in Asia or London, and even push higher because my bigger time frame bias is still bullish. And yeah, so really took unnecessary losses in London, and I wrote it down now. Where is it? Right here. Never trading London session in NFP weeks ever again. Never trading London session in NFP weeks ever again. So I wrote that down for NFP weeks, still in mind that like NFP week is a major impact for a news week. Like I don't know how I should rank it with how much it is. Like the first one would be NFP probably, like the second, is it FOMC, is it a CPI? It doesn't really matter though, but does it only count for NFP weeks, or does the bad London session count for all the major impactful news weeks? Like I don't know yet, but that's what I have to figure out if I want to trade London in the future. It isn't necessary, like it isn't a thing that I must do, but I will definitely try to find the answer. But yeah, for now it's just never ever trading the London session in NFP weeks again. Like with the people in the Discord, they told me as well, like NFP weeks with London session is just terrible, and they trade London session a lot. They're profitable, they get a lot of payouts as well. But yeah, won't do that ever again. Really unnecessary losses, otherwise I'd be up, what is it, 700 on a day. But yeah, really unfortunate. I will come back from this, and yeah, that's just what I really want to find the answer to. Is London session only in NFP weeks or in major impactful news weeks as well? So I will hopefully find the answer in the future. But yeah, this is the trade recap. I'm still really bullish. I will be trading tomorrow again, and yeah, that's it. So see you.